As soon as I put my hands on clay, I was like, I just loved it. That's all I wanted to do. That was it. That changed my life.
What I like most about my work is that it's really varied and that the results can be seen from the hard work you put in.
I've been working on the farm, I suppose, 65 years. My total life has been here on the land.
It's the procedure, it's the preparing the clay, it's the steps of like creating something from a ball of clay. It just comes to you over time. It's a feeling and a sensation. It's meditative. This is like what I want to do for the rest of my life. I can't imagine myself doing anything else.
Our philosophy is all about paddock to plate. We grow as much of our own produce as we can. Guests at the cooking school go and forage in the garden for the produce that they'll use to cook with. The restaurant operates along the same lines, and we cook it simply and put it on a plate for people to enjoy the flavours as close to the source of the produce as possible.
I suppose what I like most about working on the land is that you're not being told what to do. It's difficult on the east coast of Tasmania. The weather patterns are very changeable, so it's not easy. The land is never easy.